Hello again. In this video, I'll be showing you another cool automation that I built using ClickUp, Fireflies.ai, and n8n. Basically, if you have an AI note taker such as Fireflies.ai, you can integrate it into your meetings. You can just add them to your Google Calendar or your Microsoft Calendar. Each time you join a meeting, they'll be there and they'll transcribe the whole meeting. As soon as the meeting finishes, you can get that transcript, and then in the automation, you can pass it to the LLM node, which will summarize the whole meeting and create actionable items for you. This is basically what we did. You can see the workflow right here. It's triggered by a webhook. The webhook fires, normalizes the payload, and retrieves the transcript. The transcribed text is then normalized. So we're doing this automation for level 10 meetings. Level 10 meetings are a part of EOS. In level 10 meetings, you discuss about your agenda, you talk about your quarterly rocks and initiatives. There's an IDS session where you identify, discuss, and solve issues. Then you have your actionable items, the things you need to do, which go into the to-dos list. You can check out more information about EOS if you go to eosworldwide.com. You'll find more information there. Now, for this automation, we won't go too deep into that. I'm just going to explain how things work. Let's say I'm in a level 10 meeting and my Fireflies AI note taker joins our meeting. If I go to their website, this is Fireflies AI, the #1 AI note taker for your meetings. It will join your meeting and record, transcribe everything. As soon as the meeting finishes, it fires the webhook, retrieves the text, and then checks if this is a level 10 meeting or not. This is just an extra step we added. For example, we're just doing this for level 10 meetings. Maybe you're using Fireflies to transcribe other meetings that aren't level 10. In that case, if we just want the level 10 meeting transcripts, we add a gate switch or an if node here. We use a switch because if your company has more than one level 10 meeting, for example, you have a level 10 meeting with your senior management and another level 10 meeting with departmental heads. In that case, there are two branches. You can see one is for senior management, one is for managers, department heads, and other employees. The basic flow is the same. The meeting transcript goes to the LLM node and it has some instructions in the prompt, like the system message and the user message. Based on that, it generates summaries. Then it goes to that particular ClickUp task where you want to add the meeting summary and raw transcript. We can filter by status as to do or in progress, so it filters out anything that's already completed. After that, we add the transcript and summary. Then based on the summary, the LLM node generates to-dos or next action items. Then it creates tasks in another list. Now let's see the list. For example, this is the level 10 meeting list. You can see we already completed this one. You can see there are summaries here. These are all generated by n8n and the ChatGPT node or LLM. This is your raw transcript if you want to see it. Based on that, you have your summaries, and based on the next steps and to-dos, it automatically creates tasks in another list here. This is the to-do list. You can see it automatically creates actionable tasks, and it also mentions the owner who will complete this task. You can also add assignees from the automation. You can add due dates. You can customize this any way you want. This is how this automation works. It will automatically capture your meeting transcript, summarize it, and add the summary to your particular list. Then, from that summary, it creates the actionable steps or actionable items that you need to do. It creates those tasks automatically and notifies everyone. For example, here, I've enabled this field to notify all. You can also add more fields. You can assign, you can select assignees, you can give it a due date and time estimate. All of that stuff you can customize. The entire thing is automated. You don't have to go to Fireflies AI to get the meeting transcript, then pass it to ChatGPT. This whole system is automated, so it saves a lot of your time. If you would like us to build similar scalable system for your company, visit our website and send us a message or book a call. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you found this helpful, follow Camel Tech for more system design insights. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.